Hey guys, so in this video today I am going to tell you what is the best marketing option that you can use for your business, that is either digital marketing or influencer marketing. So first of all, let's discuss what is digital marketing or what is influencer marketing. Before that, if you're interested in this kind of videos or you are a new e-commerce seller or if you're thinking of becoming an e-commerce seller, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we bring various videos that will help you start your e-commerce journey. And before starting this video, I would like to tell you that watch this video till the very end to know all the aspects of this video. Let's start. So digital marketing has a very wide scope. That is, it means you can run ads, you can run campaigns, you can run various email campaigns, etc. Whereas influencer marketing means you are marketing with some influencer, with some celebrated persons, with some person that has an influence over people. It means that you are paying money or services to those persons that have an influence and they will influence their audience to come to your profile and buy your products. So this is a difference between digital marketing and influencer marketing. So now let's discuss what are the businesses that must do digital marketing and what are the businesses that must do influencer marketing, so that you can be clear before starting your next marketing plan. Let's start. So if you are a business that have no idea of online marketing, first of all I would like to tell you that you must go through all the aspects of online marketing. Before doing digital marketing campaigns or digital marketing, you must know various things such as SEO, product ranking, targeting. These are the things that you must know before doing a digital marketing ad. So what is SEO? You must know what are the searches that the audience will use before doing a digital marketing. You must know what are the targeting, which audience you are targeting to. What is your key target audience? Then only digital marketing will be cheap and more helpful for your business. So if you are a new business and you don't know anything about online marketing, I would suggest you to go to digital marketing because it will be much more cheaper and you will get to see proper results because of digital marketing. You will be able to track the proper results of your digital marketing campaigns. That's why I would suggest you to go for digital marketing. But before going into digital marketing, you must know all the things that I have mentioned earlier. Now let's talk about influencer marketing. If you are a business that has already been running in the market and already have done some ads and already know what is your target audience, what is the audience that you target and which influencer your audience likes the most, you must do influencer marketing and must rope similar campaigns with influencers. Like if 50% of your audience is subscribing or following an influencer, you must try your level best to get that influencer on board with your project, with your new launch. Then only your new launch will be successful and all the audience will be happy, not just because of your product but because of the influencer that you are onboarded with. So this is the point. Both digital marketing and influencer marketing will be beneficial for you if you do it right. Before doing any of this, you must know what is your target audience. This is the most important thing, that you must find out what is your target audience. You must know what are the consumer behaviors. You must know in great detail what is the consumer behavior that your consumers are doing before buying a product and after purchasing the product. What are the behavioral traits that your consumers are going through. You must know all of those. That is fixing a target audience, and you must place your product in such a manner. This is it. So tell me in the comments if you learned something from this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video. Before moving ahead, we have something exceptional for you. Easyops is India's most efficient omni-channel retail management solution, where you can save your time and money with Easyops managing your business. Save up to 10 employee salary and be a smart business. Enjoy Easyops for free for life. The link is given in the description. And this is all for today's video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.